Groovy Space, and we are here in Cranbourne, Victoria 3977. We got an indoor corridor unit, and you park your car here. You can use the two trolley here. Okay, it's down this corridor. It's about 45 steps away. Okay, it's on the second last corridor, not right to them, the second last one on your left. Okay, the size of this unit is 3 meter wide, 1.5 meter deep, and 3 meter high. The second door here. So down this corridor on your right side, only 45 steps away, 45 to 50 steps. Okay, I'm going to show you what are some of the goods here. Got a torch already. Due to the nature of the way it's being packed, so if you come across any personal stuff like digital file, photos, paper, any documents, any non-saleable personal items only, we appreciate if you can leave it behind. Again, the size of this unit is 3 meter wide, 1.5 meter deep, and 3 meter high. Okay. There's a table there, so it must be a study desk because below could be the where you put the computer, hard drive. We got LG fridge. There's a bit of a din there. Nothing is tested, so there's no warranty or guarantee. Once sold, everything to be removed except for the personal, which I just mentioned. And there's a $250 cash deposit. Once you empty the unit, we'll refund you back the $250 cash deposit. As you can see from those open, it's quite messy. Toys, books, miscellaneous items, clothes. Again, this is in Cranbourne, Victoria 3977. Thank you for watching.